guys, welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you today to do my 12-week lock update. I made 12 weeks yesterday. I will officially be 3 months on the 14th, so I will be doing a 3-month lock update next Saturday. So let's talk about the things that have changed in my hair. I have found a lot of my hair that is, the new growth is really serious. My hair is untwisted from here all the way to here, and I have quite a few of them like that. But I do not want to retwist it. I'm not sure, I might retwist it next week. I'm not sure. It depends on how I feel. I am loving the frizzy look, so I'm not too quick to retwist my hair. My hair has been getting a little dry, so I have been having to moisturize it a little bit more. I am finding knots at the end of my hair. I have been combing them out and recurling them. So I will continue to do that because, like I said, I do not want the ends of my hair locked. Friday night I did an aloe vera and oil massage on my hair. I just put the aloe vera gel that I made in my scalp, and then I went behind it with some oil and I massaged it real good. And then I sprayed it with my rose water and I let it sit for a couple of hours to air dry before I tied it up to go to bed. I have peppermint oil and vanilla oil in my avocado gel, and my scalp was really feeling that tingling sensation, and I love that. I'm gonna probably do that once a week, every Friday night maybe, and see how it does with my hair. But like I said, my hair is growing a lot. It's getting really full, as you can tell. I have had a lot of compliments on my locks. I am still loving my journey. Let me show you a few things that I did purchase. This is actual jersey material, and I got it in green, I got it in the gray and white stripe, the white and the black, and I will be purchasing some more. Every time Hobby Lobby has a 40% off sale on their fabric, I go in and purchase a yard of fabric. And what I'm going to do with this fabric is learn how to tie the big head scarves where I can put my locks up when I want to, when I don't want dust in them, or when I'm doing something that I need to put them up for, and wear them as style, or just wear them when I want to tie my hair. And I paid, I want to say it was $4 and some change for each one, because like I said, they were on sale for 40% off at Hobby Lobby in the fabric department. So also I've been finding, like, if you see the bottom of this strand right here, the gray is out of control. I can't do anything with that because it's more of a, it's not a hard texture, but it's a difficult texture. It does what it wants to do when it wants to do it. It will curl up sometimes, but it won't curl up all the way. So I'm just leaving those alone. I'm not gonna cut them or anything. I'm just leaving those alone. Other than that, that's really about all that is going on with my hair. I'm going to show you my hair, and then I'm going to spray it with rose water to show you how I spray my hair. I'm not going to put oil on it because I've already oiled my hair, so I'm not going to put oil on it, but I will show you what I use to tie my hair up at night, and it's just this scarf. And excuse it if it looks dirty. I need to wash it, but that's really all I use to tie my hair up. I don't tie my hair up when it's wet or damp. I wait until it air dries, and if it's not dry before I go to bed, I will either get up under my hooded dryer or I will blow dry it. Either way, I don't go to bed with my hair wet or damp. I just ordered me a blow up hair wash tub, and this is what it looks like. I hope you can see that, but all it is just a blow up tub that you can lay back and wash your hair in. I ordered that because eventually I'm gonna start doing rice water rinses. I'm also going to do the ABC rinses to my hair, and I want my hair to soak in it for a while. So I ordered that little tub so that I can lay back and wash my hair in. I ordered mine from Amazon, but they do sell them on Walmart.com, and they sell them on a number of other sites. If you have long hair, that is a good way to get the buildup out of your hair if you have buildup in your hair. I shouldn't have any buildup in my hair because I don't use any product in my hair, but I do want to do some rice water rinses and some AVC rinses in my hair. So let me show you what my hair looks like. And this is my hair from the side. And this is from the other side. And this is from the back. So that's pretty much it for this update, guys, but I will show you. This is my rose water, and mainly I'll just spray it, and this is and I'll shake my head. And that's how I do my rinses. When I want to make sure that everything is coated, I will lift up each section and spray it. And I will also lean to the front so that all my hair is to the front to make sure I spray it. And I'll concentrate on the areas that feel like it's the driest. And it's mainly this area right here in this top right here, where all the air is exposed to it. That feels like that's the most dry area of my head. And I always go through and make sure that I pull it up and separate it, because I don't want it to start growing together. So I make sure that I pull it up and separate it once I rinse it. And I just shake it out. And that is all that I do to my hair. And then I take this scarf, and I'm not going to tie it up right now, but I will show you what I do. I take this scarf and I pull my hair to the back. And then I go up under all my hair and I tie it in a loose knot and pull it back. And this is pretty much how I go to bed. And then in the morning, I just take it off and spray. And that's all I do, and I'm ready to go to work. I don't do anything else. I don't tie it up. I don't pin it up. I don't style it. I just shake it and wear it the way it is. And if you're not familiar with this sprayer, this is the 360 mister, and I love it because it does a mist. And if you push it and hold it down, it will give you a continuous spray, and then it will release itself eventually. So I love that sprayer. It's good for misting your hair so that you don't get that one stream of hair, that one stream that comes out at your hair. But that is all for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the description box below. Please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you will be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.